Have you ever stared at your breakfast plate wishing for a warm, soft tortilla, but without the carbs or unnecessary ingredients? You're not alone. Today on the Healthy Skillet, we're sharing one of the simplest, most satisfying recipes we've ever tested. Two ingredient, keto low carb tortillas made with King Arthur keto flour and creamy A2 yogurt. That's right, no gums, no gluten, no fuss. Just real ingredients that cook up like the real thing. These tortillas are flexible, soft, and absolutely perfect for wraps, tacos, or breakfast burritos. And the best part, you can make them start to finish in under 10 minutes. Stick around because we'll show you exactly how to get that golden skillet toasted texture and subtle chew that makes them taste like traditional flour tortillas without the guilt or the blood sugar spike. Let's get cooking. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, eliminate toxins, share trusted reviews, recipe redos, and legal minutes to help you bake healthier and do business the right way. Thanks for watching. Now, this is the part I love, turning that fresh homemade keto tortilla into a scrambled egg, cheese, and bacon burrito. Warm, savory, and perfectly low carb. It's the kind of breakfast that makes healthy eating feel effortless. If you've enjoyed this recipe and want more easy, real food ideas like this, please give this video a like. Share it with a friend who loves breakfast. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the Healthy Skillet for more keto-friendly recipes made with wholesome, non-toxic ingredients. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.